All right, guys, we're in Fort Lauderdale, Florida. We're taking a look at this single family home. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom. Like I said, it's in Fort Lauderdale, right off of Marina Mile. Marina Mile is known for basically being a place where you can go fishing, you need somewhere to park your boat or any of these things. Marina Mile is pretty popular for that. And there's also a couple great seafood restaurants. All right, so we just walked in. First thing we're gonna see, it's an open kitchen concept. You can tell everything's been recently remodeled. You got the stainless steel appliances, which is always a plus. So it's a big thing people are looking for. First thing we're gonna see on the right-hand side is the living room. There's still some paint. The place really just got done. All right, let's go check out the laundry. With the 1-car garage, there's a side door. Let's back out and see. So now we're back in the living room area. You see the windows. We're gonna get a good amount of natural light. So now we're gonna cross over into the kitchen area. So this is a ranch style home, so it's split. On one side, you're gonna have all the common areas, living room, dining room, so on and so forth. Then the other side of the home, you're gonna have all the bedrooms and the bathrooms. South Florida has a lot of ranch style homes and a lot of Mediterranean style homes. So that's usually the two things you'll see when you're down here. All right, so that's the first bathroom right here. Everything, all the towels on the walls have been redone. Yeah, this looks good. All right, so this is the master bedroom. Obviously, you know that because it has a bathroom in it. That's the closet. It's the same style closet as the other 2 rooms. So it's not a walk-in closet, but you do get pretty much everything you need. The room is a little larger than the other 2. And of course, this one has its own bathroom. I like this shower a lot. So they really put some work in getting everything done. Now, of course, Fort Lauderdale is a prime time location. It's one of those places where everybody wants to be. So the real estate in that area does go quickly. So if you're looking into buying Fort Lauderdale and you have some interest in this home, you let us know. We are the Emil Group. My name is Emil Group. I'm sorry. We are the Emil Group, and my name is Raul Emil. And yeah, we're looking forward to hearing from you.